picture of a full service guy here because now we're going to convert from vertex form to standard form with everything involved that could be there. So the first thing I still want to do is, if I look at order of operations, I would do exponents first. So what I'm going to do is ignore those other terms and simply FOIL this here. And as you remember, when you FOIL a perfect square, it's just your first value, x times x, which is x squared. You take the two values together, 4 times x is 4x, but you double it to make 8x, and 4 times 4 is 16. Now we're going to undo this part here only because order of operations would say take 3 times this before I did an addition. So I'm going to take 3 times the x squared, the 8x, and the 16, which will give me 3x squared plus 24x plus 48. And then I'm simply going to add the 5 I have there at the end, which then makes it 48 plus 5 would be the only two terms that go together, which makes it 53. So my answer would be 3x squared plus 24x plus 53. So now to go over here to this other one, it's the same thing. Let's simply ignore, except for our binomial here. And when I FOIL it, the first term will be an x squared, and negative 6 times x is negative 6x, but I'll double it, and negative 6x doubled is negative 12x, and negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. Now, by order of operations, I would take negative 2 times each of these terms. So that would be negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 12 is a positive 24x, and negative 2 times 36 is negative 72. And then I'm going to add my 12 at the end of that last constant term. So I end up with y equals negative 2x squared plus 24x minus 60. So what I've done is converted from vertex, I call it general form, so people call it standard. I think it's general. I think of this as standard. But anyway, what you do is you follow the order of operations, square your binomial, multiply if there's a term, and then simply add that last term to it. The big key is getting your binomial multiplied by your a term, add your c term. Full service vertex to general form.